everyone, this year we're doing Advent a little bit differently, and instead of the kids opening up a small present each day in the countdown of Christmas, there will be a few days where they open up a larger bag, and inside it are gifts that they pass on to other people to spread the holiday cheer. So today I want to share some inexpensive, budget-friendly ways on how you can do this. So first of all, if you go on DIYinspired.com, you can get a free printable download for all the Advent numbers. It's 1 to 24, of course, and they're about 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches. So go ahead on there and you can get that for free. All right, so on December 9th, the kids will open up this bag, and inside it will be these individually packed hot chocolate boxes. We went to TJ Maxx and found these, a box of 12, really inexpensive, and we took them out of the package and repackaged them in party favor bags and added a tag that says, "Here's a little something to warm you up. Add with some hot milk in your favorite cup." So these are gonna go in each of the kids' mailboxes. So you can choose any days that you wish. We decided to spread them out through December. So the next gift that they're gonna pass on is on the 14th, and they'll get this bag and open it up. And what we did with this one is we packaged up, we bought a craft kit, a kid's craft kit from Michael's, and there were 12 in each kit. There happens to be 12 kids. So, and it was on sale for 40% off. So it was only $6 for 12 kids. And I just made a color photocopy of the package so that the kids would know what their gingerbread man or woman should look like. And we, again, individually wrapped everything they need to make a little gingerbread girl or boy ornament. And on the tag it says, "Run, run as fast as you can. Thought you'd like to make a gingerbread man." The last gift that we're gonna pass on is the 22nd of December. It's in this bag that my kids will open up on the morning of the 22nd. And inside of these is something for each family instead of each kid. So this tag says, "For the cocoa or coffee upon your shelves, Merry Almost Christmas from the Elves." So we found a big box of cocoa stirs from TJ Maxx, really inexpensive, and we were able to package 4 stir sticks for 8 houses. So all the families can have a little gift as opposed to just the kids a couple days before Christmas. Go ahead and head over to DIYinspired.com and you can print out these free tags. I hope you like these ideas to help spread some holiday cheer. This way the kids aren't always opening stuff up for themselves every day, but spreading the holiday cheer to their friends, families, and neighbors.